do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come alive.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a power hour. If you don't know what a power hour is, you set a timer for 1 hour and clean as much as you can in this time. It can be a daily cleanup, or you can decide to do 2 or 3 deep cleaning tasks. I love to do power hours on days that I feel really unmotivated to clean, or I don't have that much time because I do so much more if I'm timing myself.
This or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a
I am starting with making my bed, and I already started a load of laundry before I even started filming.
This or this or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight. Or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next.
Now I will start folding my mini mountain of laundry that's been waiting for me all week. I didn't plan on doing much on this day, but since I started a lot of laundry, I decided that I might as well do something while I'm waiting for that. So that's when I decided to film a power hour. I really recommend doing that if you aren't in the mood for cleaning, because it goes by so fast and I always try to finish everything I want, and sometimes it motivates me to keep going even longer than an hour.
Until midnight. Or in bed by night. This or this or this or This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or this or this or that. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
The next thing I'm going to do here is dust my dresser. I always forget dusting this, so by the time I remember or notice, it's already really dusty.
Watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Now I'm moving into the kitchen and I'm just putting away all the clean dishes and then I will start washing the dirty ones.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And I'm so sorry for this blurry clip here, but my camera didn't focus back after showing you the product I'm using.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow.
For cleaning the stovetop, I'm using my Dr. Beckman glass stovetop cleaner, and after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the counters too, and I will use my Splendid kitchen cleaner for that.
Keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of where we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. Yeah, I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way.
I'm also cleaning the table with the same cleaner, and to finish here, I will scrub the sink with our scrub cream cleaner.
You keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of where we could be from the back of
In the living room, I really had to clean this window and door, so I will start with that, and after I will just tidy up the living room and clean the coffee table.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe.
I also had to dust this TV stand. I don't dust this as often as I usually do now that I have these decorations on here.
Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me.
And now the last thing I'm going to do today is hang that laundry I washed before.
I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. I don't really need new friends, so
Thank you all so much for joining me for this power hour. Tell me in the comments if you cleaned along with me or not. I almost finished everything that I wanted. I didn't get to the bathroom, but that wasn't that necessary. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!